Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into all things beauty. Today, we're reviewing the 30-inch lace front wig by KVFCT. This deep curly human hair lace front wig promises a 13x6 HD transparent lace, 200% density, and a pre-plucked deep wave style with baby hair. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. This 30-inch lace front wig is made from 100% unprocessed Brazilian virgin human hair. What that means for you is soft, smooth, and healthy hair that resists tangling. This wig is designed to be versatile, allowing you to restyle it by dyeing or curling it to match your mood or outfit. The deep wave texture adds a natural, voluminous look, and the hair is cut from young donors, so you're getting premium quality. One of the standout features of this wig is the 13x6 HD Swiss lace. It's invisible, soft, and breathable, providing a natural hairline that's virtually undetectable. The transparent lace creates a seamless blend with your scalp, whether you choose a middle or side part. It's also customizable for styling, so you can easily restyle the wig to your preferences. Now, let's talk about the cap size and fit. This wig comes with a 3D dome cap that fits an average head size of 21.5 to 22.5 inches, making it suitable for most women. The 200% density adds fullness, and with the glueless design, you can adjust the fit with the elastic adjustable straps and 4 combs for a secure, customized fit. As for real-world testing, the wig performed as expected. The hair felt soft and manageable, with minimal shedding. It held up well to styling, whether I curled it or wore it in its natural deep wave pattern. The fit was comfortable, and the lace blended seamlessly with my scalp, making it ideal for a realistic look. However, the weight of the wig might feel a bit much for those who prefer lighter styles, and the length may require some maintenance to keep it looking fresh. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, the wig offers excellent quality with soft, smooth hair that resists tangling. The HD lace is a game changer for a natural look, and the ability to restyle it gives you versatility. The cap is adjustable, making it a good fit for most head sizes. On the downside, the wig is quite dense, which may not be ideal for everyone. It's also on the heavier side, so if you're looking for something lighter, this might not be your first choice. Lastly, the length can be challenging to maintain, especially with curly hair. So, is it worth the price? The quality of the hair and the HD lace do justify the price tag, but if you're on a budget, you might find similar wigs at a lower cost with fewer features. That said, the density and hair quality make it a good investment for those seeking a long-lasting, luxurious look. When compared to other wigs in the same price range, the KVFCT lace front wig stands out due to its HD Swiss lace and 200% density. While other wigs may offer similar lengths or curls, the combination of high-quality human hair and invisible lace makes this one a standout choice for those looking for realism and styling options. In terms of build quality, the materials used are high grade. The hair is soft, with healthy ends, and the lace is breathable, ensuring comfort throughout wear. Given that this is human hair, it's durable with proper care. However, like most wigs, it will require regular maintenance to stay in top shape. Regarding customer support, I didn't have any direct interaction with the company, but based on general reputation, KVFCT is known for providing good service and support, which is something to consider if you ever run into issues. Finally, while this wig doesn't require updates or firmware adjustments, you can restyle it to suit your needs, which adds an extra layer of personalization. If you're considering alternatives, there are definitely more affordable options out there, but few can match the quality of human hair and the HD lace feature found here. If you want something close in quality but at a lower price, there are other 30-inch deep wave wigs, but they may not offer the same level of detail in the lace or hair quality. To wrap up, the KVFCT 30-inch lace front wig is a solid choice for those looking for a high-quality, versatile wig that offers a natural look. It's a bit dense and heavy for some tastes, but if you prioritize natural-looking hair and a customizable fit, this wig delivers. If you want luxury hair that's easy to style, this could be a great match for you. Is this review useful to you? If so, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this review too. Thanks for watching Beautyistic today. You can find the link to the product in the comments box below. Have any questions or thoughts about this wig? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear your experience. Until next time, keep rocking those waves and stay beautyistic.